Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to use the rope effect in Motion V2. Let's just start off with a small word like, we'll just put love. Isn't that gross? There we go. Gonna make all the... So you will need Motion V2 for this effect. You can find it online somewhere. Just look it up. So we're gonna go ahead and select the first two letters that you want it to connect to, and then hit rope. Bring the rope layer above the solid layer so you can see it, because it adds it to the most bottom layer. Now it adds it to where the anchor point is, so you're going to have to adjust where the anchor point is on each letter. So I did that for those two letters. Then I'm going to select O and V. That's okay where those two anchor points are, and I'm going to do it for the last two as well. So 3 ropes. So now, wherever you move the letter, the rope will follow. So I'm going to just bring the position up for all of them. Just there we go. Move them around. I'm gonna go ahead and ease this with the Motion V2 tool. And you get something like that. I did something like this in Bombity Bomb. But yeah, that's how you use the rope tool. If you have any requests, let me know, and I will see you guys next week.